Awesome. I think it's me. I've got two quick ones. Continuing in the vein of AI stuff, this is available now, but only on the chat interface, not in the workbook. Uh, we're starting to have some success with actually controlling visualizations. So if you want to ask, show me revenue by month as an area chart, let's see if it works and sort of gives a little bit more granular control over the presentation of it. There. All right, you can say, show me this as a column chart as an example. And you have the ability to sort of to toggle through it too. We're going to do a few different ways of exposing more granular controls over it. So, like for example, things like showing data labels and stuff too will take sort of subsequent follow up. But feeling actually tentatively positive that this is actually going to work now if we do it sort of incrementally. Then another, so that's live now.
Jamie, before you go, is that for chat/chat only, or for the main app, or for
Chat,
everything?
chat only right now, at the very least, but something that we
And
will want everywhere.
yeah, just as a sidetrack, like, how similar or different are they? Because I know, like, Stephen, last week you mentioned that like it can't do VLOOKUPs, but the workbook one can do VLOOKUPs. How should a user think about the difference between slash chat and doing it in the workbook?
There's going to be different contexts. So, like, in the workbook versus in the dashboard versus in the chat, there's slightly different contexts and slightly different actions it can take. But in general, it should be able to do all of the sort of types of manipulation you'd expect in a given context. So, like, we want it to be able to create new visualizations. We want it to be able to change queries. We want it to be able to like update visualizations and stuff too. That should be universal. It just each of those contexts require kind of different hooks. You sort of have to reach into
Yeah.
each of the behaviors. And so like this is not it's not backed by a workbook today.
Okay,
So
that was gonna be my question. So there's not like a workbook sitting behind slash chat somewhere.
no, not right now at the very least. And like kind of maybe not ever actually. So we sort of want to figure out exactly what it is because there's sort of there's slightly differing
Yeah.
behaviors. So like if you do that,
Which implicitly means no filter by query, no X lookup as it stands, but like we could figure out something else to do that in the future.
that's right. That's right. And like it's not to say that we won't be able to do that, in some intermediate period, but it is right now different. And then when we get it on the dashboard too, dashboards are going to have some fundamentally different behaviors also. Like, you can do dashboard layouts or creating a new query or, summarizing multiple different result sets and stuff too that may be different. But yeah, we're sort of slowly but surely walking there. The second one is this one's pretty close to being shipped, and huge thanks to Sarah and Stephen for helping out with it.